Hello, my dear students. You are watching my channel English to English. And in this video, you are going to learn about the present simple tense. First of all, let's know what is the difference between present simple and present continuous, or we can say in other words, present progressive. Okay, because most of the students make mistakes here. When we talk about the present simple, that means we are going to talk about something that is permanent. Of course, nothing is permanent, but permanent in a general way. Okay, and when we talk about this present progressive or continuous, that means we are talking about something that is happening now, and it is temporary. Let's see the examples. When I say I work means I'm having a job, or I'm working in a store, or I'm working at a bank. Okay, that means in general means I have a job and I work. You work, we work, they work, and if the subject is a singular, then we will add s or es with it, with the form of verb. He works, she works, it works. Okay, and then now see this way. Present continuous means I'm working means at this moment when I'm talking to you, I'm working. Now what I'm doing right now, I'm teaching, and what you people are doing, you are listening to me. Okay, this is temporary, this is present continuous. Okay, now let's know about the uses, where to use present simple. Present simple we use where something is permanent. Okay, see the example. We live in New York, or we live in India, that is permanent. Maybe we will leave this country, or we will go somewhere else, but at now this is permanent for us. He works at a bank. He works at a bank means this is a permanent job, not a temporary job. Means it is not for 1 or 2 days, but more than that. He is working. He works at a bank means having a permanent job. When we talk about the routines, then also we use present simple tense. I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to sleep at 11. Okay, these forms of verbs we can go, we use in present simple. Facts means something is there, we cannot change it. The sun rises in the east, this is a fact, and in these kind of sentences also we use present simple. Schedules more or less are like routines. Okay, means something happens at the same time every day. Our class starts at 9. The flight leaves at noon. Frequency means how often something happens. She always takes the bus. And when we talk about frequency, then we say how often, and these are the categories how often something happens. When we say always means 100%. When we say often means 70%. Sometimes means 50%. Rarely means 10 or 20%. And when we say never, she never takes the bus, means 0%. Okay, now let's know about the rules, or how to form present simple tense. Let's say first of all the positive, or in other words we say it affirmative sentences also. When we talk about the affirmative sentences in present simple tense, then first of all we use the subject, then first form of verb. I have written here only first form of verb, nothing else, no s or es is here. There is a reason. Okay, what is the reason? When we talk about these subjects, I, you, we, or they, then we use only first form of verb. Okay, I work, you work, we work, they work. Okay, and the time when we use these subjects, these are singular ones, then we use the subject, then verb, or then s or es according to the verb. He works, she works, it works. Okay, let's know about now negative sentences. Negative sentences we use, first we will learn where to use do not. Okay, do not, we use two words here, do not and does not. Okay, these are the helping verbs we use to form negative sentences in simple present tense. And let's see now, these are the same subjects with which we used only first form of verb no, s or yes, and here also we will use only do not. Okay, no, s or es is there. When we add s or es with the do, it becomes does. Here we are using do only. I don't work, you don't work, we don't work, they don't work. Now what is don't? I was saying that we should use do not. Now I am speaking don't. Dot means this is the contracted or shortened form of do not. And how to form it? We will remove this so, and in place of this so we will add one apostrophe in there, and then we will squeeze these two words do or not, and it will become don't. Now these are the same subjects with which we used s or es, and now here we will use does not, or in the contracted form. In the same way as we formed don't, the same way we will form doesn't. Okay, does and not, we will remove this o, and in place of this we will use this apostrophe in the ear, then we will squeeze these two words and it will become doesn't. He doesn't work, she doesn't work, it doesn't work. Now how to form questions in present simple? When we are talking when we talk about questions, then simply we will use this helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, here we were saying I do work, I do not work. Now we will simply add this do in the beginning. See this example, do, then I work, and don't forget to put this question mark at the end of the sentence. Do you work? Do we work? Do they work? Now with the singular subjects, does he work? Does she work? Does it work? Okay, and when we have these question words, these question words means where, when, what, who, these kind of words are there, we will add these words in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, see, where do you live? What do you do? Okay, these are the rules to form different sentences: affirmative or positive, negative, and questions for present simple. Thank you for watching.